Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats on your iPhone to Google Drive. If you've been wondering how to securely save your conversations and media from WhatsApp, this is the video for you. I'll be walking you through what I think is the best method to get it done. So let's jump right into it. Alright. The first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp app on your mobile. Once you're in, you'll land on the chat screen by default. To get started with the backup process, head over to the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see Settings. Simply tap on Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Chats. Once you find that, go ahead and tap on that. This is where we'll find the settings needed to export your chats to Google Drive. Within the Chats settings, you'll see several options. To back up your chats to Google Drive, we're going to use the Export Chat feature. If you're looking to move your chats to an Android device, you can also use the Move Chats to Android option at the bottom, but for our purpose, let's stick with Export Chat. Once you tap on Export Chat, you'll be presented with a list of your frequently contacted people and recent chats. Here's where it gets a bit tedious. You'll have to export each chat individually. After selecting a chat, WhatsApp will ask whether you want to include media, like photos and videos, or if you prefer to export the chat without media. If you've got a long chat history with lots of media, including it will make the export process take a bit longer. For this demonstration, I'll choose without media. Next, you'll see a list of apps where you can send your exported chat. Scroll through until you find Google Drive. If you don't find, then you will see More option. Click on it. When you click on it, few more options of apps will appear. Now, find Google Drive in the list. Hopefully this time you will find it. Once you find it, tap on it, and you'll see a screen that shows the Google Drive account you're uploading to, as well as the folder it'll be saved in. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, go ahead and tap Upload. Your WhatsApp chat will now be saved to your Google Drive account. To make sure everything worked correctly, head over to your Google Drive and check for the uploaded chat file. As you can see here, the chat I just exported has been successfully uploaded to Google Drive. And that's it. That's how you back up your WhatsApp chats from an iPhone to Google Drive. Keep in mind that you'll need to repeat this process for each chat you want to back up. It's currently the best way to ensure your conversations are securely stored on Google Drive. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.